Coffee break with me. Woo! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. How are you today? Okay, you guys, I can't continue my excitement anymore. I've had this box sitting in my studio for more than a week, and I haven't been able to open it, which is totally lame because it's my very first super duper ultra customized box. Yes, we're talking FabFitFun Spring 2019 unboxing, y'all, and it's customized. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but FabFitFun started customizing their boxes recently, and so it's really exciting because before, not everyone got the same things. Now, not everyone gets the same things because you get to choose a few of the items in here. So it's pretty cool. So if you're unfamiliar, I've been partnered with FabFitFun for a few years now, and I get to unbox with you guys every season. I also get to share my add-ons with you guys. So FabFitFun is a seasonal box. That means you get it 4 times a year, and it's filled with full-size products that are beauty, lifestyle, fashion, I mean, all the fun stuff that we like. So it's like getting a present for yourself every season. It's $49.99, but if you guys have been curious to check it out and haven't had a chance to, I do have a $10 discount code for you guys. It's not affiliate, it means I do not get commission, but you do get to save money, so you're welcome. Anyway, let's jump right in. I think that's like the fastest intro I've ever done in my life, because that's how excited I am to use my tweezers to get into this box. Not my proudest moment, but kind of a little bit. So let's open this cutie little box. Look how pretty it is. So, oh snap, look how pretty it is. Their boxes are so cute, you guys. I really love the little pamphlets that they include inside each of these boxes. Sometimes it looks like a magazine, other times it looks like a newspaper, but it goes in depth on the products that are in your box, the potential products you could have gotten in your box, and then the full retail price for them. Remember that all the products in here are full-size products, so it's kind of exciting. You ready for this? Oh my goodness. I don't even know what to grab first. First of all, I'm a huge fan of the brand Swell. Plus, I'm a huge fan of the color chartreuse. Swell is a brand that has these like stainless steel vessel type bottles for water. It keeps your beverages cold and hot. And they're supposed to be healthier for the environment. Plus, they come in all sorts of really fun colors, like this one. I have a Swell bottle already that's sort of like this pink color here, like that color, and it's one of my favorites. I love it. The only problem with Swell, and it's not really a problem if all you do is drink water, but it's not dishwasher safe, so you do have to hand wash it. So if that's a deal breaker for you, it shouldn't be. Moving on, oh man, we have the Levito Inspired by Nature Aromatic Body Lotion. Hydrate, nourish, and protect in mandarin, orange, and bergamot. Are you ready? Let's see. I love how big and chubby this container is. Look at that. I hope this doesn't turn into one of those lotions that I like so much, and then I have 5 containers of that body butter in my quarterly empties. Oh, that smells really good. That smells really good. That reminds me of my youth. What is that bush? You guys remember that bush? It's green, and then it has little white flowers, and at dusk it always smells really strong. That's kind of what it smells like, with like a hint of lime. Oh, we have a product from Way, the leave-in conditioner. This is a fancy brand, you guys. This is a brand that you can find at Sephora. So it's a full-size leave-in conditioner. I've never tried this. I tried their foaming dry shampoo, but I haven't tried anything else. And every time I see those Instagram videos with like hair tutorials, everyone's using Way products. Or like celebrities, they're like, this is my Way this is my Way. And I'm like, I want to use Way. Just kidding, Brioche, I love you. Okay, then we got this big jar of champagne charcoal scrub. Oh my gosh. This is from the brand Monica Dar, which is super fancy and extra. Champagne charcoal. Those are 2 of my favorite things. How awful is it to say that out loud? Is that awful? I just made a little hole in it. It's Really nice. Is it a sugar scrub or a salt scrub? Bubbles, anyone? Champagne charcoal scrub is a luxe and gentle body scrub formulated with charcoal to remove dirt and buildup, leaving the skin polished and hydrated. Ingredients, let's see. Sodium chloride, water, glycerin. Okay, so it's a salt scrub. I prefer salt scrubs over sugar scrubs. Are you guys with me or no? Is that just me? I noticed the difference for some reason, and I prefer salt scrubs, so I'm really excited to use this. I love that it has charcoal, but I love the fancy packaging. You guys, I'm so easy to convince with fancy packaging. This is the 11 by Venus jump rope. Venus Williams was the first African-American tennis star to be ranked #1 in the world. Created by Venus, 11 is a lifestyle brand, fashion-forward activewear and accessories. Do you guys want to know a secret? I don't know how to jump rope. So I'm not so sure that this is a wise tool for me to use, because if you want to know my coordination level, just imagine a baby giraffe that's just been born for like 3 minutes on roller skates that accidentally got into the liquor cabinet. That's my coordination. But it's really cool because the colors are really pretty. It does have the foam handles, and it's also adjustable. I don't know if you guys can tell here, a lot of jump ropes are not adjustable. And I think a reason why I never learned to jump rope was because I was always so tall, and I wasn't, like, the jump rope wasn't big enough for me. So with jump ropes like this now that are customizable to your height, maybe, you guys, maybe I might be successful at it. Watch I turn into like the jump rope champion of the world. You don't even know. And FabFitFun like started it. Could you imagine? I can't, I'm too old for that. Then we have the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage. It's an eye depuffing gel. Visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles. A lot of you guys have been asking me recently if I've been doing anything for my panda eyes because they don't look like panda eyes anymore. And I'm like, no. I wish. I use eye gels that I keep in the refrigerator when my eyes are puffy, but it's just a momentary fix. Like, it's not like a permanent fix. So this is kind of cool. How do you use it? For best results, let dry in between applications. Reapply as needed. After you moisturize, gently warm a tiny amount between your fingers and gently pack directly on bags and dark circles. Huh. You can layer it too. That's interesting. Then we have a Show Me Your Moo Moo. What is this? How pretty is that? Let me see inside this little magazine about this moo moo. So it's the Brie robe, and it's for after you shower, a day of lounging, and it has a removable belt and a high-low hem. I'm kind of excited to see this robe. I actually picked this over the backpack or a diffuser. I'm kind of picky with diffusers, you know, and if I can't see it like in my face and see how it diffuses, I don't know. It's not very useful for me, you know? So look how pretty this is. This is so cute for like when you're at home, you guys, and you just want to be lazy, but you still want to look like you care about life, or you're trying to be a little fancy or extra. That is really cute. I'm just gonna keep this on for the rest of the video because why not? Actually, I would wear this while drinking wine. Okay, so there is my robe. And the last thing was another thing that I got to customize, and I picked key sunglasses. Okay, I wanna see what the hype's all about. Everyone all over YouTube and Instagram are like, key sunglasses, they're the best sunglasses, they'll change your life. I bet you people are just overhyping them. That's what I've always thought, but I've never actually tried key sunglasses on my own. So let's see what all the hype's about, y'all. So there were 2 key sunglasses that you could have picked from, or 2 other products. So I went with these. Let's see. Oh, snap. These look like my Tom Ford. I'm a little offended because these do not cost like Tom Ford sunglasses. Are these gonna make me regret all my life choices? They are those lightweight, plasticky feeling sunglasses, but they also don't feel flimsy like the ones that you find at like a mall little kiosk. You know what I'm saying? So, plus when you put them on, I mean, you're the one that kind of gives them value. You know what I mean? Aren't those pretty? Holy cow. Now I kind of want to show you guys the ones that I'm talking about. They look like dupes for my super fancy. I had to save 3 months for these sunglasses. What do you guys think? Should I just keep them on for the rest of the video? Are they nice? You know you like them. I wish the hardware was gold. Then it would be like my everyday pair of sunglasses. Y'all are gonna start seeing these sunglasses in my weekend vlogs, just wait. And they're really tinted. Have you guys ever seen like a pair of sunglasses where you're like, oh, if only the lens was just a little bit darker, I would get them? This one's like just dark enough. Anyway, that is it for my FabFitFun video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget that if you've been on the fence to try FabFitFun, I do have a $10 promo code for you guys, not affiliate. It's CoffeeDani, and it does get you $10 off your very first box. Y'all, it's super exciting now that everyone gets to customize a few of the items in their box. So now I get to sit in my key sunglasses, in my fancy floral robe, and bid you adieu. I mean, kind of living my best life. It is National Margarita Day when I'm filming this video, so that's kind of exciting. Anyway, I love you guys so much, and you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye guys!